we're going to see about continuous statement. It is a type of gem statement. Okay, in continuous statement, if you are using a continuous statement inside a loop, what happens is that whenever there is a continuous statement is evoked, then that particular loop will be stopped. If the statement is here, it will execute this much, but if the continuous statement occurs, then the rest of the loop, part of the body of the loop will not get executed. Then it will start from here, then it will continue like so. Okay, let's see the example given. 4 into I is equal to 0, I is less than 4, I plus plus. See out I. If I equal to 3, which means we are taking the value of I with the 3. Then if it is true, then continue. Okay. First, the value of I is equal to 0. Condition is true. Okay. See out I. So we are getting the value I is initially value of I is equal to 0. So you will get. Okay. We are providing a space here. So we get 0 here. Then there is a space. Again, if I is equal to 3, equal to 3, which means the current value of I is checked with 3. Since the current value of I is equal to 0, this condition fails. So it is not get evoked. So then again looping. Then I plus plus, I become 1. Then see out I. So we get 1 here. Then there is a space. Then again the condition is 4. Since the value of I is 1. So it is not evoked. Then again, so we get 2. Then next round I is equal to 3. Then say out I. We get 3 here. Then if I equal to 3, then continue. Which means if there is a statement after this, then it will not look into this part and it will automatically skip the part, then it will comes to this side. Which means if we are providing if the body was like this, before I is equal to 2, we get this. Since this fails, but if I is equal to I become 3, when get into the loop, this condition satisfies. Then continuous evoked. So this part will not get executed. It will skip this part and again it will continue the loop. So see out I. Now the current value of I is 3. See out I will not execute. So we won't get a 3 here. Then 4th time. Then I is equal to 4. This condition fails because now the value of I is equal to 4. So no continuous evoke. Then see out I. So we get a 4 here. Then there is a space. Then after coming back, I value of I become 5. Then the main condition fails. Then control will comes after this breaks. So we get 0, 1, 2, 4. Since continuous statement is evoked, the rest of the part is not executed. Skipping that part, the loop will get again. This is continuous statement. Thank you.